Hi, it's Jenny with Jenny's Wreath Boutique, and I just got a huge order of fall and Halloween florals for wreath making. And these are going to be for new Halloween wreath kits and fall wreath kits and some new tutorials for you. If you're excited to see what I got, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that yet. All right, let's get into these boxes. Whoa, this is a lot of stuff. I'm so excited to get into it. Don't worry, this is only 10 different things. I just got a lot of each thing. All right, let's get into our first box. Can you tell what it is? Oh, I'm going to take this apart so I can show you. Look at these leaves. These are black magnolia leaves. They're really big and gorgeous. Look at the quality. This is going to make such beautiful Halloween wreaths. So excited. So each one of these comes in a 2-pack. Look at these. They're so pretty. These are our rose hip spray. Oh, I love them. Aren't they so gorgeous and such good quality? I've actually used these in a wreath tutorial here on YouTube for a really vibrant, bright colored wreath. I'll show that here. And I love these so much, I had to get a bunch more. Oh, they're so, so good for fall. Ooh, I'm so excited. They're so good. We're making a dent. Oh, these look so good. These are our black willow bush. Look at that. I thought these would be so fun for a fall or Halloween wreath. There's a lot of black, white, and beige and like tan for fall, which we saw in our trends video in the VIP group. So this can be used for fall or Halloween. Ooh, that's cute. Look at these. Oh, I love these. These are so pretty. These are our eucalyptus spray, and it's a purpley plum color. Isn't that so good? Oh, I love this color for fall. It's so trendy right now, so I'm really glad I got these. Oh, I'm so excited for some new tutorials. Okay, this is one I'm really excited about. Haven't seen it in person yet. Oh, I love it. Okay. Oh my goodness, look at this. This is the coleus spray. I'm telling you, these look so real. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about these. Look at that. So much texture and color. These are probably the thing I was most excited about getting, and they did not disappoint. Oh, so good. This is the Glitter Magnolia Leaf Spray. I'm going to be covered in glitter. These are so pretty. I love them. These are such good quality. These are so perfect for a fun elegant and glamorous Halloween wreath coming up. Ooh, that's fun. So that was the glitter magnolia leaf spray, and this is the glitter magnolia leaf bush. Let's see how they're different. Ta-da! Just a smaller version. Wasn't sure which one I would like best for wreath making, so I got both. These are so fun. I love this. This is going to be such a fun wreath. I cannot wait to make one for you. Look. Oh, so this is the maple leaf garland. I'm gonna have to separate it around for you because they're all scrunched up. One tip, if you get leaves that are kind of curled up or wrinkled or anything like that, take a steamer, like a clothes steamer, and steam them and they will be nice and beautiful again. But this is a maple leaf garland. And I got this garland because each piece of the garland is a really nice pick. See, all of these leaves are nice and they're shiny black. They look extra shiny in this video because I have lights on, but these are going to make some gorgeous Halloween wreaths. Look at that black floral. Oh, yes, I've been waiting for these. Oh, these are the best. These and the coleus were what I was most looking forward to. Oh, they're so good. So good. Look at these. If you watched my 2023 fall trends video, I mentioned how I had something coming that was really on trend right now and was shown through a lot of the things we're looking at to find the trends. And I'm so excited to show you. It's a plum. Almost has that chocolatey brown look. So pretty. Look at that beautiful fall color and texture, that dark moody color. So good for fall. Yay. Check that out. This is our black ficus garland. Look at that. The quality of everything here is so good. And I got these because, like the other garland, the maple leaf garland, each one of these sections makes a great wreath making pick. And sometimes it's more cost effective to get the garland and just break it up into pieces. And I love these because they make a nice wispy piece. Aren't these so cute? Oh, I love it. If you enjoyed seeing these fall and Halloween wreath florals, let me know. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you can see how I use these and which ones will be available in a wreath kit for a new design for you. All right, I will see you in the next video. Bye.